tartar. In the world is that?
That, my dear compadre, is known as ButtaCup seafood sauce.
Who said that? Mr. ButtaCup seafood sauce?
Just consider me your conscience.
Huh, didn't know I had a conscience. Whatever, is it any good? Conscience?
Of course it is. Go ahead and try some.
Perhaps I will try some. Oh yeah, now that's good.
Officially introducing ButtaCup seafood sauce. Different flavors, 12 ounces of sauce. Available now at facebook.com/ButtaCup2020 or on Instagram at ButtaCup Seafood LLC. Order now. ButtaCup seafood sauce. It's in the butter, baby.